Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 14 Ultra and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening the contact list, because this is the first way of blocking the number. We have to find the contact which we want to block. Let's tap on it then. Now let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number, so simply tap on block. For some reason I cannot do that, but that's okay. I'm pretty sure that you will be able to block the number. You will see a specific characteristic icon, and of course you will not receive calls or messages. You can also unblock the number the same way, just by tapping on unblock numbers. This is the first way of blocking the number, so you can block the number you've got currently saved. Of course, we can also block the numbers which are not saved, so for example, which are in the recents or the favorites. And now we have to open the settings. So you can be either on favorites, recents or contacts, it does not really matter. Simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Here, let's tap on the blocked numbers, and basically this is our blacklist, which is obviously empty. So let's simply tap on add a number and tap on this section so you can enter the number manually. Tap on block, and as you can see, it will immediately appear on the blacklist. What is more, we've got this option unknown. You can activate it just by tapping on the switcher, and your device will basically block the calls from all unidentified callers. You can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again, and if you want to unblock the number, just tap on this X button and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.